Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply a Scholar in the series Trios of Homeopathy, Day 12, Trios of Spasmodic Cough, Drosera, Ipecac and Cuprumate. Drosera has long rapid coughing where patient turns blue. Ipecac has spasmodic cough and this remedy is useful in case of asthma. On the other hand, Cuprumate has violent coughing, especially on bed, along with stiffness. Clinically, Drosera has a spasmodic and whooping cough. Ipecac has cough along with nausea, and Cuprumate has whooping cough with spasm. So for day 12, spasmodic cough is decoded. This was the final trio of the series. See you soon with new educational and learning concept. Thank you.